Alright guys, good morning. It is Sunday morning. I'm going on my 5th service call this morning, and customer's complaint is the central AC outdoor unit is not turning on. So I'll take some video and we'll see what's happening over here. Alright, so got these two ream units. One's a Rude, one's a ream, and it's good to be observant and be aware of your surroundings, because I just got here and this is what I see. Wire just basically shot right there. Someone ripped that out or something. So let's pull out, disconnect. Let's get a 1/4" driver. So the wire is not connected. It's like ripped out. If you want to take a look.
Oh yeah, well,
just be careful because it may be live still.
yeah, I noticed that.
Okay.
I came out here to see what was going on.
Yeah.
And that didn't look right.
No, it's not.
I don't know if the landscaping guy.
It's possible. It's possible.
Yanked it out, but I wasn't sure.
Alright, we got a little bit of cobwebs and stuff in here. But there's the other wire, which is right there. So let's play operation and get these back in there. Alright, let's get you in there. Alright, now let's see. Nope, we're going to the air handler now. We should have connection there, but we don't. Of course, I'm gonna go get one of those.
How are you making out through all this?
We're good. We're good. Busy and good. Yeah, it's a little crazy, this whole coronavirus thing.
The whole state of the country is
the whole state of the the whole state of the country is crazy right now. Wrap that up like that and throw a couple zip ties on this. Let's zip tie that back down. Yeah, I'm gonna zip tie up together. Well, that's the other one. Let's do this one first.
Yeah,
Oh, it's a little chewed up right there. What's the green? Yeah. Should really splice in a new wire here. Good. We'll wrap it up with some tape there. More right there. Let's take a look at this one real quick. Same thing. I don't want to make a big production out of all this on a Sunday morning, nonetheless. If I can just get it secure and out of the way. Alright, let's put the cover back on. Customer already just told me before that he saw the wire like that and felt it kind of odd, and he tried to get it back in the hole, and then he saw a spark. That was the 24 volts. So hopefully it's just a fuse and not the transformer. Where are you? Nope. Right there. Alright. Refilled that with the wire nuts. Let's put the boy back in. Let's head up to the attic. Let's not hit the light bulb. All that's elevated. It's blown. Like magic. Magic Mike. Look at that, guys. Magic. Just like magic. So that was a pretty straightforward service call. You know, a good trait to have as a technician is to be observant of your surroundings. You know, just take a mental note, visualize, just see what's going on. You know, like one of the first things I do when I arrive at a service call, for AC not cooling, is the indoor fan running? If the indoor fan is running, then we know we got 24 volts in the system. If it's not, then we have to, check circuit breaker panel, check at the air handler, check the transformer, check the fuse, and go from there. So we're on our way to another service call. This one's in Long Beach. I was there on Friday morning. The system was, frozen solid like an iceberg. And I said, listen, nothing I can do right now. We'll disconnect power to the condenser. You know, don't touch the thermostat. Keep the fan on. Let that run. Let that thaw out, and we'll try to come back next week. So, heading out there now, and we'll see. Last year, you know, we gave it the good old once over. System was low on refrigerant. Added a couple pounds. We were recommended by another company, one of their family members, and took care of them. Filled them up. Fill and go. So, hope everyone's well and safe out there. If you're one of the 95%ers who haven't subscribed to this channel, you know, hit that subscribe button. You know, give me a thumbs up. Show me some love. I want to see the love. That's the best way you can support this channel, is by showing me love. That's all. So, take care. Be well. Enjoy the weekend. Happy Sunday while I blow through this red light.